The world's leading search engine giant and technology company, Google, always comes up with the latest product and tools that can assist students learn more efficiently. Here is how Google is using AI tools to help students read and write. No more. Quill.org is a nonprofit that has achieved a $1.3 million grant from Google.org to provide free literacy activities in order to make students better writers and readers. Quill.org allows students from elementary, middle, and high school to read, write, and improve their language skills. Quill has built AI-powered reading for evidence program to come up with customized pathways for students to practice writing and receiving feedback. It is reported that students who utilize the Reading for Evidence program once a week for a semester gained a 71% improvement in their writing skills. This helped them save teachers an average of 90 hours each school year. Quill Reading for Evidence provides students with nonfiction text equipped with AI-supported writing prompts instead of multiple-choice questions to allow deeper thinking. Google Docs has also introduced AI assistants called Help Me Write to make writing faster. The tool can create content, modify it, and also make different suggestions. In order to activate the feature, you need to sign up for the generative AI waitlist in Google Docs and other work-based apps made by Google. Once you get access, you will be informed when you log into Google services. You can try out the latest feature, Help Me Write, which should be visible in the top left corner. When you click on it, a floating pop-up window must open. At this point, you need to give instructions to the AI on what it needs to do. Once you enter the right prompt, press Create. After a few seconds, Help Me Write will show you its response within the Google Docs document. Click Insert to add the outputs to your document. You can also instruct the AI, recreate, or make further adjustments from the drop-down menu within Docs. If you wish to make changes to a particular paragraph, select it and right-click to add modifications. Thus, Google is helping students to use generative AI within Google Docs and other workspace tools without needing to depend on external AI chatbots like ChatGPT and Google Bard. Google has always been committed to ensuring that every student and educator have access to tools that provides more accessible, safe, personal, and customized teaching and learning experience. Google believes that technology in the classroom can help teachers to improve students' outcomes. Know here what are the features and products that Google has developed to create an impact on the education industry. In Google Classroom, educators can assist students in developing literacy abilities with reading activities through the latest read-along integration. This feature makes it simpler to assist in varied learning and also notice and insights on student progress and development. The program available in English provides practices sets that helps educators deliver more relevant student interventions. Educators can also manage resources and add their own learning sources that were recommended by artificial intelligence. For example, an educator can create an assignment using a YouTube video, which will help them to add interactive questions to assist students. The initiatives will allow students to know how much they have understood the topics when they watch. Educators can use the questions that are suggested by AI and also edit them. The questions are available in English as of now and will be soon coming to the beta. Or teachers can create their own questions. There is another tool on Chromebooks called Screencast that can also be used for teaching and learning. It has been updated with demo tools that provides the ability to watch screencasts on any tablets or desktops with a web player. Screencast can also be paired with a cast moderator that allows teachers and students to share their screens widely on a central display screen by utilizing a secure access code. Google has also come up with Google for Education App Hub, which will revolutionize the way all the apps are connected with Google Workspace for Education and Chromebooks, all in one place. So, what is the App Hub all about? Well, educators and admins can together search for apps that can be easily integrated into assignments in classrooms using classroom add-ons, tools to assist in streamlining class and grades management with SIS integration, and apps that can be simply added and managed within Google Admin Console using app licensing. Google Classroom's read-along integration also allows educators to measure progress and notice metrics on accuracy, speed, and understanding of individual students and the overall class. Not just these apps and features, but Google is also improving its existing products and services with the help of AI. Google Meet has announced new features that promotes more collaborative and access learning. For example, in Google Meet, type pairing has been added, which will allow two people to pair together so that they are both highlighted whenever one of the parties speaks. In a deaf person's case, Google Meet provides the opportunities to pair a presenter in their sign language interpreter. Yeah, Google is also trying to use AI to make it accessible for the disabled community. Google Meet has also been including Q&A and polling on live streams to allow it to engage with huge audiences. Signing up for Education Plus programs can help you increase the numbers of maximum attendees on Google Meets to 1,000 so that it will allow teachers to connect with more of the school students all at once. In 2022, Google tried to introduce several features on Google Classrooms that aim to assist education leaders in supporting students and educators to provide more options for collaboration. Classroom analytics are also being introduced in the coming months, which will allow education leaders to gain insights into students' performances and engagement. For example, educators will be able to understand if assignments are completed on time, if grades are accepted or not by the students, and also how Classroom is being used by both educators and students. This vital information will allow educators to understand how well their classrooms is getting adopted. These features are available globally and allow designated education leaders and supported staff to visit a class temporarily without having the need to assign co-teachers to help educators. Apart from the above features and products, Google also aims to simplify lesson planning. Want to know how it's being done? Well, Google is allowing curriculum leaders and verified teachers to be able to share links to class templates and classworks to understand updated content or instructional design ideas. It is then allowing to import the content into the classes without having the requirement to be a co-teacher. So, teaching and learning upgrades and Education Plus editions will also allow educators to plan, organize, and analyze assignments and grades based on the preferred grading periods in quarters, semesters, or terms. It'll also allow the selection of grading scales to align with the district's grading system such as letter, numeric, or custom. Some of the interesting features such as not allowing submissions after the due date and writing comment section in the engaging manner will be available in all editions. Artificial intelligence is also assisting Google to include accessible built-in features to the Chrome browser. So, basically, there is a reading mode coming to the Chrome browsers on Chrome OS devices. So, what is reading mode all about? Reading mode is a tool in the sidebar to make it accessible for students to read text by enlarging the scene and also changing the font. It allows to remove all distractions and also be coming to the Chrome browsers on all computers soon. Google is also going to make an update in the PDF OCR technology, in which screen reader users will be able to convert images to text for PDFs in Chrome browsers on Chrome OS. This will allow students to access and read them. Reading mode and image-to-text conversation will be made available soon. What are the other features that Google is introducing to make students learn in a safer environment? The company is adding interesting features in Google Workspace for education controls, such as context-aware access improvements, which will assist admins in controlling who is accessing which apps in an organization and when. The company is also expanding spam protections in the Drive by launching a new view that makes it easier to separate and review your files. It'll also allow students to decide what they might view as spam and stay safe from possibly unwanted or abusive content. On Chromebooks, the company is also increasing more Chrome OS data controls. It'll help admins set rules to prevent copy and paste, such as from AI-based tools, screen capture, screen sharing, and printing. IT administrators can construct information protection strategy with rules based on data sources, destinations, and user access. For users that include students and educators, new privacy toggles and settings will give students and teachers more control over their privacy by giving them access to disable the camera and microphone when they are not in use. The idea behind all these features is to create a more productive learning environment for all the students. Have you used any of these features or products and services offered by Google yet? Let us know in the comment section below for more updates in the world of technology and education. Stay tuned and subscribe to our channel. Click on like if you enjoyed watching this video.